Hey there, fellow League Degens. In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to get your own custom skins and play League of Legends the way you want to. All right, now first thing we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and look for the CS Manager, LOL. Click on this link right here. Go ahead and click on download. When this pops up, go ahead and close out of it. We don't need that. We're going to click on GitHub right here for the newest version. And here, you're going to find where it says CSLoL Manager Windows.zip. Make sure it's the .zip one and not the .exe. Go ahead and click on that and download it. Unzip the file wherever you normally do, because that's where it's going to keep the program stored at. It's not like a traditional install file. I keep mine right here on the desktop. So go ahead and once you've gotten that unzipped, double click that. And then you're going to see here CSLoL Manager.exe. Double click on that. It's going to bring the program up for you. Now for me, I already have a lot of skins installed. I love using the custom skins on here. They're super cool, they're fun, and it changes things up a lot. You can change the map. You can change items and monsters in the game. You can change the skins, obviously. So you're going to see a lot selected here. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head to a website like runeforge.dev/mods, and I'll leave a link for that in the description along with a few other ones. They're going to have a lot of cool skins. You can sort by champion name. You can look at different maps. It's going to have everything listed right here. There's different categories and skins. You can change the sounds, fonts, UIs. It's super cool. Once you've gone ahead and downloaded a few things, whatever skins or changes you want to make to League of Legends, you're going to want to bring up your CSL LOL Manager again. You're going to want to click on Import New Mod. Now you can see here I have a folder dedicated to just League mods right here, and these are all the ones that I currently use. So select the one you want to import, and then just hit Open. You're going to see it show up right here. Now, I will say sometimes if you have a lot of them loaded up, it might bug out the game a little bit. So I only use the ones that I know I'm going to typically use very often. You can see most of them are unchecked right now. I like the one that turns my jungle monster that follows me around, or my jungle friend that follows me around, into some Pokemon. And then I've been playing Gragas. I love the Snorlax Gragas skin. Super cool. And that's the one I have selected right now, you know, as well as some maps and things like that that I typically use. Once you have those imported, go ahead and select whichever ones you want to use, however you want to change the game. And then you're going to hit this little play button right here. What it does is it runs a patcher. Inside that patcher, it's going to index everything in the game. Just look down here. It might take a while if you have a lot of things loaded up, but as soon as it says waiting for league match to start, go ahead and open up your League of Legends and then go ahead and get that game started. Once you load in, you'll see all the changes that are made. If you notice you have an issue loading in, or it stops at a certain percentage and then kicks you out, there's an issue with some of the mods you're using. They're not playing nice with each other. So you're going to want to, what I usually do is I'll turn off whichever ones are new that I know aren't working together, you know, or just select them one by one and see which ones are working. I'll usually do that in like a test mode. I'll usually just go to play and then go to a test mode, the practice section, and just see which ones actually work. So I like to go ahead and go here to training and then the practice tool and just make it just my character in there and make sure everything loads up correctly. Now, the last thing, just remember, whenever this is coming up during Champ Select, make sure to select the base model skin there. If you don't select the base model skin, it's going to use the regular Riot ones that you selected. So whenever you're using the skin mods, you have to use the basic one that you get with your champion first off. Now, you can see here, even the cards changed, which is pretty cool. And then with a lot of the abilities and stuff, most skins kind of have like different sounds that go with them. Pretty neat. And this one in particular is really well made. And then one more thing, one of my favorite mods on here actually is that for your jungle companion, I use one where it makes Pokemon. So I get Charmander. It's pretty cool. Now whenever you get it like fully stacked up, You can see it changes into Charizard. Super cool. Like I said, one of my favorite mods by far, and I always leave this on because I'm jungling. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You can change anything about it: the map, minions, the announcer sound effects, anything. So use everything that you want to make League look the way that you want to play League and go crazy. And thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the content. If you do me a huge favor, just like and subscribe this for me. It really helps out, and I can't wait to produce more for you in the future.